So, what I'm doing this morning, I've just arrived to work. I've got to put some cement sheet on that. I'm going to be waterproofing this whole bathroom today, and this toilet I'll waterproof up it because I'm going to tile that back wall. I want to skim the cup grinder over these tiles. They're solid and they're lovely. So I'll be running the waterproof. People don't usually waterproof a shower. I mean a toilet, separate toilet. But in this case I'm going to, because these poor guys have had a full-on leaky house. I've got a mask on, so it's God, I can't stand them, eh? Anyway, I just want to rough this up. I'll do this one, but I'll clean it out first and I'll come back to you shortly. See you soon. I'll just give this toilet floor a scuff up so it's not shiny for the waterproof. So the waterproof's got something to stick to. This is a nice solid tile, so there's no need to pull it up. You just go straight over the top. That's all you do, DIYers. Now I can put my primer on that and waterproof it. While the dust settles, I'll be in next door in here. I can now sweep this out, prepare it. I need to put my cement sheet on that, and we're laughing. Let's do it. This is Chris O. Stay tuned to my channel. Tell your mates what's going on. We'll see you soon. G'day everyone, it's Chris O. This is what I'm about to do here is an absolute must. If you don't do this, well then you're wasting your time even tiling the bathroom, because glue does not stick to dust. And when you're tiling, there is always dust. This primer just glues everything together. If you don't do it, don't bother tiling your bathroom, DIYs. That's how important it is. Because on cement sheet and everything, there is always dust. I've got to scrape my floor yet, give it a bit of a scrape with a trowel, and then I put primer on the floor as well. Couch potatoes say to me, oh, you haven't back buttered your tile. Well, what a lot of bullshit. Back buttering your tile and then sticking your tile to dust. What a joke. Still, everyone is entitled to their opinion. But yeah. Tomorrow morning I'll put my cabinet up, the shaving cabinet. The other one in the ensuite, it was recessed into the wall, but here I've got too much timber and I'm not able to cut it out. So the mirror door cabinet just needs to go on the outside, like on the wall as it is. But then I'll tile to it and it'll look slightly recessed, which is good. That ceiling's looking a bit shady, so the owner will be painting the ceiling, I'd say, in this one once I'm out of here. even though the vanity's going there, I still slap on some primer. All good. All good in the hood. Oh, I've got to fix up that, or take it out, one or the other. I'll just probably cut it. I don't need it. That corner for the jib rock. In my time as a professional tiler, I have tiled shopping centres, railway stations, multiple units and houses in my 35 years of doing this sort of thing. Oh. So if I'm not a professional by now, I never will be, I suppose. All right, people.